Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin UHD 93sv. First, power on your device and adjust the backlight and color palette for clear visibility in any light condition. Next, ensure your transducer is securely connected and mounted, typically at the transom, to provide accurate sonar data. Finally, familiarize yourself with the intuitive home screen, which offers quick access to essential functions like sonar, chartplotter, and various data displays. This foundational setup is crucial for a successful day on the water. Now, let's dive into the powerful sonar capabilities. Your 93sv offers traditional chirp sonar for excellent target separation, clear view for photographic-like images of fish and structure directly below, and side view for scanning wide areas up to 500 feet on either side of your boat. Experiment with gain, range, and frequency settings, such as 200 kHz for detail or 50 kHz for deep water, to fine-tune your view and pinpoint those elusive fish. Moving on to navigation, the Garmin UHD 93sv is an excellent chart plotter. You can easily create and save waypoints for your favorite fishing spots or hazards and build routes for efficient travel. Customize your map display by adjusting depth shading to highlight specific contours and overlay satellite imagery for enhanced situational awareness. The high-sensitivity GPS receiver provides precise location data, showing your boat's position within 3 meters, ensuring you always know exactly where you are. Finally, let's explore some advanced features and maintenance tips. Utilize quick-draw contours to create your own high-definition fishing maps in real time, showing 1-foot contours. Connect your device to the Active Captain app via Wi-Fi for seamless software updates, access to new charts, and smart notifications directly on your display. Remember to regularly clean the screen with a soft cloth and keep the software updated to ensure optimal performance and extend the life of your valuable Garmin unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.